Introducing our 4000 Series Blade Slat by Fenpro. Offering a sleek, flexible design, these slats are a great solution for increasing the aesthetic of your fence line while adding a high level of privacy and wind protection to your outdoor space. Our blade slats are manufactured using our proprietary TruTech Plastic, which offers unmatched fade and crack prevention. Even with their lightweight design, they're durable enough to withstand severe weather conditions and will last for over 15 years. Available in a variety of colors in 4, 5, 6, and 8-foot heights. Each professionally packaged box contains 82 slats and 5 bottom locking channels, enough to cover approximately 10 linear feet of fence. For installation, slide the bottom locking channel horizontally through the bottom row of the fence. At the top, simply insert slat vertically with tapered end facing down and lock into place for a secure and clean finish. Improve the privacy and visual aesthetic of your chain link fence with our compact, lightweight blade slats by Fenpro. For more info, please visit us online at www.FenceScreen.com.